Alrighty, friends, we are here, Mo Mummy at the Aria, my favorite casino. Let's see, my favorite game, my favorite casino. What kind of magic can be bestowed upon us today? What do you say, wifey? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. First spin. Okay. Mr. Mummy, what's your favorite property to hang out on? Okay. Let's get some connectors here. The question we always ask, Mo, yes, no. Mo Mummy, Mo Money, no money. Which one is it? Well, what do you think it's gonna be, wifey? Come on this side? Come on, Mr. Mummy. Let's do a couple. Oh, that would have been. Okay, whoops. Hello, what happened there? Okay. Those fast spins were, 2 of them were accidental. I don't know, you could fast spin on a free games. I guess, yeah. It lets you quick stop it. Okay. Yes. Huh? We're getting close on these. Okay. Maybe 1 cent isn't it, huh? Let's go a little bit to lucky 5 cents. Yes, yes. We would have rather had this switch unless it gave us the free games. Just a modest request. So the maxi is 211. That would have been perfect timing if I just panned up and we got the bonus. Not the case. Come on, Mr. Mummy. Buckets of fun. Uh-oh. Kitties. Let's see a Royal Rumble. Haywire. Stop building sandcastles with our money. You can give us some of that money. Oh, yes, yes, Wild Wild. Boom. Nope. We haven't been getting many of the green gems. Let's go here. Okay, Mr. Mummy, be nice to us. Like I said, we're at Aria. Okay, maybe this is it. Maybe this is it. When you get a lot of kitties across the screen, it's a good sign to start. Okay, okay. Some monkey pots. Okay, green gem, good. We need it to land though, and ignite. Uh-oh. What happened here, Mommy? Okay, 2 more, that's easy. Or just 1. Okay. Yes. No. Okay, he ran off to come here. We haven't even gotten 1 cash collect fellow on the left. Oh, whoa, pop it. Oh, what a beautiful screen that would have been. We have to get at least 1 triple, I don't know, it won't be a triple pop, but like 1 of these to trigger that way. That would be so awesome. Do 1 up bet 3. Oh God, here it is. I got so excited. Here it is. Oh! Oh! 1 more. Okay, I up bet it. I felt that was the time to do it. Okay, let's get. She's talking about that panda, by the way. The one that looks like our cat. Okay, now $3 bet, cash collect. Drop a couple minors in here. Let's go, wifey. You ready? Green grass. Oh, no. Hello? Excuse me? Okay. Alright. What denomination are we on? 2 cents? Yeah. Oh, Minnie, come on now. Oh. No. Okay, but... 3 greens. Oh, I saw the minor. What is this? 3 greens, literally. Oh! To say I'm unsatisfied is an understatement. Can you explain what that was?
It means 2 and 1 big bet.
We were so excited to get cash collect. $3 bet. We thought we were a genius for a second. Not only did we not get past the first page, we couldn't even get that $22 one. That would have been $45 actually. Oh, come on. Well, where were you during our other situation? Oh, he was right up there. It was so exciting. And then the excitement was overtaken by sadness. Let's make a switch. Bam. I present 2 is right there. Oh, it's right here. Oh! I thought this was my favorite casino. I thought Mo Mummy was going to be nice to us here. Are you looking at that machine? Just looking. Yeah, now. Oh my golly gee willikers. What was that, wifey? That was, what was that? That was typical mummy behavior, I should say. I thought this was a different mummy. I thought because we were at Aria, and I love it here. Oh, that would have been good. $7.50. Keep going. Huh. Man, that was a good time for. And when I said, like, when you get the mummy on the first reel and the reel starts spinning to drop the green gem, if it doesn't spin around that first time, you have a chance. And both of them didn't, or all 4 of them almost didn't. We had a real chance. All right, let's just try a few more and then see. That one spun by right there too. Monkey pots. I like monkey pots. Oh. Big. And there was like a $30 one that was right there too. Keep going. Oh, she could have been right there too. Coulda, shoulda. Yes. Oh, it's right there. Yes, though. Can you tell me what's going on here, wifey?
Aria.
Guys, she thinks this place is cursed for winning. but we're just playing like one of the most volatile games, right? It's not just Aria, right? Have you guys had good luck here? I think this is the second time you've played here, wifey, from what I remember. Oh, 20 times, wow. I mean, the numbers are huge right here on this bet. Please drop a huge one. Here it is. Oh!
Diamonds here.
And, oh, you're right. Oh my, I've never seen 1-1-1. What a tease. And there was a bunch right there as they rolled down. You saw where they were on the proverbial reel. That was crazy. I don't know, what do you think? Do you think this machine's gonna tease us? Should we go?
We only have $30 left.
Does that mean ride or die with this? Yeah. I almost felt bad giving the rest to him, but I believe, mommy, you hear that? I believe you're gonna do a really good cash collect. We had one terrible one on a decent sized $3 bet. Absolutely ridiculous, but we keep getting these huge numbers. I don't know why he's being so rude to us. Yes? No, maybe so. Keep going. Let's see a haywire, Mr. Mummy. Let's prove to wifey that you're very generous, especially the Aria rendition of the Mummy. Boom. Not boom. Ooh. Not ooh. Oh.
Where's the ticket cash out place?
It's around that corner on the left. See where that piggy is? Yeah, we're gonna go, okay. Wifey's gonna go cash out one of her tickets. Let's go do that one switch. When we do the first bet on a new denomination, see if it gives us anything right now. Oh, I bet 5. Whoops, I meant to do 250. I meant to do 250. All right, accidental. Big bet would have been nice. Bonus. Keep going. No. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. We don't need any jacks. Okay, mommy. Oh, those cash collects were ridiculous. Wow. Okay, wifey came with this magic. Let the magic commence with this huge ticket. Uh-oh. Okay. Are you ready? Should I push my hand onto it? Okay. It didn't do it. Okay. Well, that was a very sad machine. We got a $3 cash collect and it gave us absolutely nothing. Then afterwards, it gave us a lot of teasing. It was a bad mummy. We're gonna go find another machine and then we'll get revenge. See you soon. Wifey's incredible genius. She walked, she saw, she conquered. Although I'll start recording when you get it. Of course, I was a little bit late. But she likes to walk around like Firelink. It's just like Firelink. And she nailed it on the $1 bet.
Oh,
$27, very good for $1. Though we did see the major flash by over here. How crazy would it have been to just hit 560 or 500 whatever it would have been, 50. All right, we walked over from that bad, what was it called? Regal Riches. bad too, and here we are. Beautiful Aria. I love it here. It's so pretty. And yeah, speaking of pretty, wifey did it. All right, we'll be back when we get another one. All right, we found another one, another victim. Let's see if we can get it. 225. And 2 Firelink. Are you ready? All right, wife is behind me. Yes, yes, okay, right away. First spin magic, okay, it did work. Now we get the next one after. That's good, 225 bet. What's it gonna be, Firelink? Reveal the major. $100. Okay, $6 is good. All right, you ready, wifey? All right, let's go. Oh, minor, okay, we like it. Yes, yes, okay. Oh, re-trigger, come on now. No way. I mean, there was nothing really up there. You had to get the 13. Then it would have been 1. Okay, well. It's always a trick. I mean, now it's gonna trick us into the next one too. Should we try this or not? Yeah, okay. Yeah, we gotta do this one now. That one's a really good one. Okay. Oh, real 3. So many flew by on 3. Oh, 1. Oh, free games is so huge too. Okay, no more, okay. All right, we're gonna take it, and we're gonna leave. That was fun, but not that fun. We'll go find another one.